Hey guys, this is my first Minecraft video, hopefully the first of many. This is at night time, and I spent the last two days making this. I call it the Emerald Railway, both for the two ginormous emerald towers and for where it goes. So let's get this show on the road. I'm really liking the glow blocks. They enable much more light with actually looking kind of pretty. So I even lined the bottom of the roadway with it because, again, I like the glow blocks. I think they look pretty. I am astonished at the sheer scale of the Minecraft world and exactly what you can build right there. You can kind of see it in the darkness. I'm working on one of my next projects that I'm going to have a lot of fun recording. It's going to be a castle in the sky. That over there is a Connect 4 board that my buddy Kyra made. She's been excited about it for a while and really sad that her last server kind of dumped it. This place is absolutely gorgeous during the day. Again, the detail of the Minecraft world is insane. Especially for something that, well, works on a metric crap ton cubes. Sorry I didn't have much more to say. Again, this is my first video. I've only been playing Minecraft for a couple days, and I'm hoping that everything's going to be getting progressively more awesome as I get more experience with the system. Thanks.